Hey editors, welcome back to the channel. As you've probably seen in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be super exciting. I've noticed a lot of creators jumping on this challenge recently, and I thought, why not join the fun? Here's the plan. I'll be making 3 edits using the same clips, one in 10 minutes, another in 20 minutes, and the final one in 1 hour. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and join our community for more amazing content. Alright, here are the raw clips I'll be editing. Let's get started. Let's start the challenge. Here's the result of 10 minutes edit.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Okay is not enough? Let's make a 20 minutes edit. Now here's the 20 minutes edit.
It's alright, like...
Now time for final edit. It took me over 40 minutes to edit, and the rest 20 minutes I use for best CC as possible. And here's the final result.
Nice.